What is up, everybody? So we are going to be doing another music dictates what I do with my makeup. Now I've already done my face and my eyebrows. I haven't done blush or highlighter yet because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm gonna let the music decide. So with that being said, let's get this started. Apparently I had hit play before it would do it, so we got For Whom the Bell Tolls by Metallica. This should be interesting. I'm going to be using the Saint Sinner palette tonight, because why not? Just try to do something other than just one palette, even though I absolutely love Beauty Killer. So, like last time, we are going to be using the Color Workshop eyeshadow primer and all over my lid. Take this brush, which is just a packer brush. I'm gonna do Amen. This is a white, creamy white color. I'm gonna put that under my brow bone. I'm going with Chalice with the same brush. But I'm gonna put that right in the inner part of my eye. Now I had planned on doing a review of this palette when I first got it, but that was a long time ago, so I doubt I'm gonna do it now. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. Now I'm taking this brush and I'm going in with Revelation. Put that, and we're going to put that right here. The outer part of my eye. Use this brush. I'm going to go in with Immaculate, which is an olive green color. In the pan, at least. Oh, what the... That looks nothing like what it is in the palette. Going with this brush. Let's see if I can save it. We'll go in with Relic, which is a bright yellow gold. don't really blend all that well either. This is just not how I want it to be. We'll see. Cover that first color. Yeah, we'll make it work somehow. Now I'm going to go on with this brush with Sabbath, which is black. It's not like gliding on right. When I first got this palette, I was like, yes, and now I'm just kind of like, really? So I guess you're getting the review of the palette as I do this. This fluffy brush. And I'm going to use a combo of Heaven and Ashes. And I'm gonna put that right over the top of Sabbath and kind of smoke that out. I'm not happy with the palette, so I am done. I'm done with that. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll go with this one. This one is Alexander by Lala Fox. It is a Color Fix lipstick, and it is called a Glossy Color. I would recommend using a lip liner with a red lipstick, so that way it doesn't bleed, especially if you overline a little bit like I'm doing. That's better. So now I need blush and highlight, and I'm going to take Flowers. The whole thing is called Glorious Golden, my bad. So I'm going to take that pink, obviously, tap off the excess. Put that right there. Same on the other side. I don't use the bronzer on it because it looks orange on me. For highlight, what am I going to do for highlight? Back to this thing. And I am going to take Absolution, which is that white, on this brush. And use that. Probably should have done this before I did my lips. There we go. I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get. I did cut my hair tonight. I did not record a video of it because I wasn't thinking about that. I have side swept bangs now and long layers. So there you have it. I think I may trim my bangs up a little bit more too. I don't know yet. I'll probably just leave them. Let me check something real quick. Yeah. Sorry, I was checking the angle of my bangs. I'm such an idiot. I didn't do any type of eyeliner. That's how frustrated I am with this palette. So yeah, these are the things that I'm going to be using. The tattoo liner, because it's the first one right next to me. The big by Monsieur, and as always, my Smashbox Always Sharp liner. So I'm gonna go do that off camera and come right back so you can see the actual final results. Okay, another complaint. Her tattoo liner does not want to go over her own shadows. That is not cool. Okay, so after digging through my makeup bag, I ended up using the Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner. This one is not waterproof, by the way. So I ended up using that to do my liner because that's just ridiculous. How do you have something that doesn't mesh with your own brand? Really? Anyways, this is now the final completed look. So I hope you enjoyed and maybe you learned something about that brand. I do not. I thought it was really cool at the beginning, but not so much anymore. Like I said, I'm going to use it because I don't want to waste the money that I put into it, but I won't be buying it again for a few different reasons, but that's one of the main ones. So yeah, thanks, lips.